how I use matching rules and duplicate rules to kind of prevent the data duplications and creating duplicate data inside of Salesforce. And also how we merge any existing duplicate accounts in Salesforce. Okay, first we start off with looking at into accounts. And we'll click here, all accounts. As you can see here, there's already an existing duplicate accounts. There's two accounts with the same name. And what I'm going to do next is go to setup. And here I'm going to search for a matching rule. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new rule here, which is based off account. And we're going to name that account name. Okay. And what we want to make sure is whether they can find any matching names that's already exist in the database. So we're going to just make sure that we choose exact here. And we're not going to select any other fields here. We're just going to leave it as is just for the purpose of this demo. And I'm just go ahead and hit save here. And activate the rule. Okay, so the rule is active. The next ones, we're gonna go to duplicate rules. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, there's already standard rules here, but we're gonna go ahead and create one for our account. We're gonna just name this account name. I'm gonna leave this for enforced sharing rules, so the only rules is just gonna be for data that the user have access to. Here, we're just gonna leave the alert here, and then we're gonna let them create the account, open alert, and then we're just gonna alert ourselves when there's any duplicate accounts created. And here we're gonna choose the matching rule that we already created previously, which is account name. And here, there's different fields here that if you want to kind of like go in deeper into a specific account that you want to prevent any duplications, we can do that. But we're not going to do that on this example, so just hit save. And activate. Okay. And so what we're going to do next is go to sales. You see the accounts here, and we're going to open one up. As you can see here, the matching and duplicate rule works together to identify that, yeah, there's a potential duplicate on this account. So we're going to hit view duplicates. Since these two accounts, are exact duplicates, the example that I gave wasn't, it has two different phone numbers, but we'll just hit next here. And here we have an option to kind of merge the accounts and choose whether you're gonna have this account or this one as a master account. Now you can actually, select all, and we'll make sure that all the information from this side used as the master data. But you can also, kind of customs. So you say this is the correct phone number, you can kind of pick and choose which data you want to use as a master. But for this example, we're going to just use select all so that everything from this side is the master data. Click next. Going to have this message, merge account, you can undo merge, and we'll just go ahead and click merge. Right, so We're gonna open up account here, all accounts. And as you can see, there's only one account here. We remove the duplications, everything's merged into one. And we want to make sure that we have a clean data where there's not a lot of duplicate. All this redundant data can cause, end user frustrations, and it's cause, inefficiencies in performing their day-to-day tasks. So it's important as an admin to kind of address this issue to make sure that all the integrity and the cleanliness of your database. And that's all my demo for today.